In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and export list of all users in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so finding the list of all users and exporting that information is quite simple. Just head over to your profile name here and click on it, then choose settings. Now under settings, go ahead and click on people. From here, you can see a list of all people or users on your ClickUp. You can also filter this by clicking on this to see if you only want the list of either admins, members, or limited members, as well as or guests. And you can see we have those options here. Once you have found it, now go ahead and click on the appropriate list. So for my case, I want all users, and then go ahead and click on export here. From here, you'll have an option now to export a list of all users to your computer. So for my case, I can't do it because I'm on a free account and this does not provide this option. So that's how you can find and export list of all users on ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.